Hi, I'm Katsunao Sekine, a financial planner. The price of investment property changes every year, and the way condominium companies make proposals changed. In the last 2 years, 45-year loan have become a popular selling method for investment condominiums. Of course, the longer loan period, the more interest you will bear, but the 45-year loan is on the rise. Why is it increasing? Of course, there is a reason. Today, I will explain why 45-year loan increased in investment properties that are usually purchased with 35-year loan. First, let's look at the sample data. Property price 26 million yen. The down payment at the time of the purchase is 1 million yen, and the loan amount is 25 million yen. First, let's calculate this property with a 35-year loan. The repayment period is 35 years, and the interest rate is 1.8%. Rent is reduced by 0.25% every 2 years. The monthly management fee is 8,000 yen, and the repair fee is 2,000 yen. The annual property tax is 80,000 yen, and the total cost is 220,000 yen. Click here to calculate these. I have 30 years of cash flow, but the red part, the first 3 years will be up. Rent income is 960,000 yen. Interest on the loan is 445,000 yen. And the principal is 517,000 yen. The annual income and expenditure for the first year will be minus 522,000 yen. The balance after 11 years will be minus 237,000 yen. And after 30 years, it will be minus 267,000 yen per year. An average of 240,000 yen minus is a property. That will be about 8.4 million yen in 35 years when the loan is paid off. And of course, the condominium companies does not explain. If you have this property for 35 years, it will be a minus of 8.4 million yen in total. But I explain while showing the income and expenditure 1 year later. Monthly rent income is 80,000 yen. Loan payment is about 80,000 yen. And management fee is 10,000 yen. In other words, it will be minus 10,000 yen every month. In other words, you can own an investment real estate for a minus of about 10,000 yen every month. So what if you buy this investment property with a 45-year loan? Let's calculate the repayment period of the loan in 45 years. In the first year, it will be minus 70,000 yen compared to the 35-year loan. The balance has improved. Let's compare. This is a 35-year loan, minus 220,000 yen a year. But a 45-year loan can be reduced to a minus of 70,000 yen. 11 years later, it will be minus 85,000 yen. And 30 years later, it will be minus 115,000 yen. The balance much better than the 35-year loan. And the aim of the condominium company is to improve the annual income and expenditure. This can be explained by the fact that the income and expenditure after 1 year will be minus 70,000 yen. This investment real estate has rent income of 80,000 yen, loan payment of about 67,000 yen monthly, management fee and repair reserve of 10,000 yen. So the monthly income and expenditure will be a plus of 2,500 yen. You can become a condominium owner while receiving 2,500 yen every month. And since it can be explained that it will be future pension income, it is very easy for the condominium companies to sell the property. However, if you propose this property with a 35-year loan and calculate all other expenses, it will be like this. Monthly rent is 80,000 yen. Loan payment is about 80,000 yen. And management fee is 10,000 yen. The monthly income and expenditure is minus 10,000 yen. In addition, an annual property tax of 80,000 yen will be levied. And every time a resident moves in and out, it costs money to change keys, clean the room, and as the investment real estate become old, the rent income drops. The equipment will be damaged, so it will cost money to repair it. If you include all of them and calculate, my calculation will be minus 8.4 million yen in 35 years after purchase. By the way, if you buy a property with a 45-year loan, how old will the loan pay off? If you are 30 years old, you will be 75 years old. And if you are 40 years old, you will be 85 years old. Finally, let's look at the total interest on 35-year and 45-year loans. Here, If you borrow 25 million yen in 35 years, the total interest will be about 10 million yen, and in 45 years, the total interest will be about 15 million yen, and the difference will be 5 million yen. If you make a 45-year loan, you will lose 5 million yen more.